If you've seen my previous videos, you know that we are attempting to grow as much food as possible within our yard, while also having a very aesthetically pleasing yard and a functional yard for our kids and pets to be able to run around and enjoy. This video is all about as much fruit as we can produce, and fruit comes on a variety of plants like trees, bushes, and vines, and I'm specifically focusing on trees and bushes in this video. I'll list the variety of each tree. Each one was carefully hand-selected by me after lots of research, making sure that I'm getting the very best possible fruit for our yard, and also varieties that we will really enjoy with each person's personal taste.
Daddy's digging in the dirt?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Let's go see. We have 2 holes here. And what are you doing, Andred? Ooh, that's a big job. I see you. So we have, here's our pomegranate tree and our beautiful persimmon tree that's still kind of asleep. Matching pear over here. And Brian's digging away. Those streaks that you see in the dirt there, that's called caliche. It's a very thick type of dirt, almost cement-like out here in the desert. It's no fun, and that is why, hence the pickaxe. And there's our beautiful desert dawn. We're trying to move this broken up slab of concrete, and it is thick. Oh my goodness. It's like, I don't know, sweetie, it's more like 4 or 5 inches thick. Yeah. Wow. And then move this slab over. I'm looking. Oh, you're so tall. Wow.
Flowers.
Well, it's not my flowers. It's a mallow plant. Did your bouncy ball get stuck in the plant? Yes. Okay. Oh, it's a groundhog. Are you hogging the ground?
Can I try?
Yeah.
No.
Yes. Give Brother a turn.
No.
No.
I said no.
If you give Brother a turn, I'll give you a big kiss.
I said no.
Okay, come on, Andrew. Come on over here. Your brother is definitely a groundhog. Andrew's going to try this hole over here.
Okay. Hey! My melting ball!
Oh, go get it.
What do you think, Andrew?
Great.
Great?
Can I fill in the dirt now?
I found it!
It got stuck, didn't it?
Not all dirt down here. What's this?
That's just caliche again.
Oh, there's your nifty.
You've got some sandy bits in it.
Yeah. That's what I was looking at because it's all bright. Color-wise, figuratively.
Look at my muscles.
I see your muscles. You are so strong. Are you going to do this all by yourself? Whoa. Andrew, look at your hands.
You're such a good helper, Galahad.
Look at my hands now.
Yep.
See?
Wow. Yay! So now let's move to the front yard. We do have a flowering plum tree, which is not so useless as you would think. They do produce some very tart, tiny little plums that I enjoyed when I was a kid, and I'm sure if my kids don't mind the tartness, they will enjoy them as well. They were a lot of fun to pick. Yeah, look how high up you are. You did that all by yourself.
Whoa.
Mr. Chocolate Face.
Whoa.
Now, in the front of the house, we had some very useless bushes, especially useless as a juniper allergy runs in my family, and I prefer not to have it right underneath my nose, even though we've gotten rid of pretty much almost 100% of our allergies. Why put something like that in my own front yard if I don't have to? And besides, it's taking up valuable real estate. So the 3 bushes that you see with the arrows, those are the ones I took out, and I would like to have taken out even more and put in more blueberries. On either end, I put in a blueberry bush, and I'm going to be adding a rose bush in the center as soon as I can find one that I love the smell of as well as the look of, because rose petals are edible. So anything going in the yard needs to just be beautiful and functional in my mind. It's great to have a yard that produces a whole bunch of food, but if it's kind of an eyesore in a jungle to you and your neighbors, that's no fun either.
No.
And why have a perfectly beautiful yard that does nothing but cost you water and time? Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next week.
You can do it. I don't think Chevy's out of control. I think you're out of control. Help you? Are you worried? Okay. Here, I got your hand.